Hey guys, Abby Johnson here, and I probably could do about 60,000 videos based on what happened at the Supreme Court with the Dobbs case, but I'll just sort of start with this one. You know, I was thinking about the Supreme Court justices and thinking about probably what most people in the United States think about them. I mean, no matter where you are in the political spectrum, no matter where they are in the political spectrum, I mean, I think most people, when you think about the justices, you think, okay, these are probably pretty smart people. These are probably some of the most learned individuals in our nation. I mean, you can't be a dummy and, you know, be on the Supreme Court. I think most people probably acknowledge that. But I have to say that some of these justices must be some of the most intellectually dishonest people I have ever heard in my life. And I especially believe that after hearing the Dobbs case on December 1st. So I really thought that really was solidified in my mind after hearing Justice Sotomayor and Justice Kagan actually say this to an extent. She said that in the past 50 years, there have not been any advancements made in the fields of maternal and fetal medicine, that we haven't essentially made any developments in the past almost 50 years since Roe was decided in 1973. And I sort of sat there thinking, really? No advancement? You can't think of one? Can't think of one advancement? I mean, just look at ultrasound technology. In fact, I want to show you what an ultrasound looked like back then compared to what an ultrasound looks like right now. But really, no advancement? No difference there? You don't see a difference there? And back in 1973, it was unheard of, virtually unheard of, to save a baby that was born prematurely at the gestational age of about 28 or 30 weeks. Now, doctors have been able to save babies as early as 22 and 21 weeks old. But Justice Sotomayor, no medical advancement, right? I mean, seriously? I'm good. I'm always up for a spirited debate. And I'm always up for dialogue with people and even those that disagree with me. But I was honestly really, really shocked. I guess I shouldn't be, because we even have activist judges on the bench of our Supreme Court, the highest court in our nation. But I was really even just shocked to hear the intellectual dishonesty come from the Supreme Court on December 1st. So if there's anything that we should know today, it is that there has been so much advancement made, so many things that we know now that we didn't know about the preborn back in 1973. We know that the preborn human child, we know that their heart beats 21 days post-conception. We know that they have brain waves as early as 8 weeks in the womb. We know that their fingerprints develop in the first trimester. We know that they can dream just at a few weeks along in their gestation. We know that their organs are all formed by 12 weeks gestation in the first trimester. We know so many things now that we did not know in 1973. But according to Justice Sotomayor, no medical advancements have been made in the past 50 years. I don't think so.